In today's video, we are going to show you how to play music in Google Meet and share crystal clear audio with all participants. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open meet.google.com. You can start a new meeting or join an existing one depending on your preferences, but in our case, I'm going to start a new meeting. Okay, so I'm gonna click that, and then you want to make sure your microphone and speakers are working properly. In this case, you need to click the share button at the bottom screen of your Google Meet. Now you can choose on what to share with the Google Meet, especially sharing the music. For example, you can choose a Chrome tag, which is what's playing right now. If you're using a YouTube, maybe if you're using your window, you can share all of these. You can also share an entire screen if you wanted, but for now, what I'm gonna do is share the Chrome tab, which is using the music available in our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe so that you'll be updated with our latest content. And then you want to make sure that the tab audio is turned on, because if it's not, you're not going to be able to share the music or the audio to the Google Meet. Okay? After that, all I have to do is click on the share button. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.